Welcome to the Sculptureum, a captivating haven for art and creativity nestled just outside Matakana village, an hour's drive north of Auckland City. Today, we invite you on a journey through a world where art meets traditional canvases and redefines creativity. Begin your visit by exploring 4 distinct experiences. Your adventure starts in the garden Creative Diversity, a one-way path that winds through vibrant gardens filled with playful sculptures and delightful animals, like rabbits, birds, and even tortoises and turtles. Take your time. Wander through this accessible, flat 1.4 kilometre path. Designed with every visitor in mind, we recommend setting aside at least 1.5 hours to fully immerse yourself in the artistic oasis. Please note that dogs are not allowed on the Sculptureum, except for service animals, to ensure the comfort of everyone. If you require wheelchair access, you'll be pleased to know the pathways are flat and accessible with wheelchairs available for use. Just let them know at the time of the booking. So, a few practical notes for your visit. The Sculptureum welcomes you rain or shine. In the event of a shower, feel free to borrow one of the umbrellas on site, and if necessary, check the Facebook page for any weather-related updates. And while there isn't any on-site cafe, there is a food truck that's open. So if you're looking for something for inspiration or just a day out, the Sculptureum offers an unforgettable experience that celebrates art in its most innovative way. As you progress, you'll enter the art galleries. Gallery 1 proudly displays the finest collection of international glass art in the Southern Hemisphere. In Gallery 2, marvel at figurative works by some of the world's most renowned artists. Gallery 3 brings you sculptures of animals crafted from a myriad of materials, from wood, resin, to metal and plastic. And in Galleries 4 and 5, a diverse array of creative expressions await your discovery. Then step outside into the Palm Garden, where sculptures crafted mainly from glass, metal and ceramics gleam under the open sky. And don't miss the renowned Pink Snail Garden, a whimsical space bursting with vibrant, colourful plastic sculptures, including the signature huge pink snails. As you approach the final highlight of your visit, prepare to be mesmerised by a towering 2-metre high work in coloured glass by the celebrated American artist Dale Chihuly, currently the finest piece of glass art on display in the Southern Hemisphere. So relax, explore, and let your imagination soar. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, keep on travelling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.